aloha mai kako. I just wanted to take you guys on a drive with me, and we are driving on Hawaii Island. We're driving on Saddle Road, which goes between the two biggest mountains in Hawaii. So to your right there is Mauna Loa. She's the most massive mountain in the world. You can see it's a nice, beautiful clear sky day. And this video, just to let you know, is sped up like 1.5 times so that you can enjoy it faster. So we're still driving through Saddle Road, and to the left, that is Mauna Kea. You'll get a little bit better view of her shortly. You can't really see it too good because I'm driving kind of fast, but every now and then you see this tree on the side of the road. It's my cat TT. She wants to say hi too, I guess. You want to be on YouTube, TT? Oh, okay. So if you see the trees, there's one. Did you see it? Those are mamane trees, and they're endemic to Hawaii. They live way up in this elevation. We're probably, I'm not sure the exact elevation of this area where we're driving through, but it's pretty high up there. We just like climbed the mountain from Kona side heading back towards Hilo. So yeah, back to the mamane tree. It is endemic to Hawaii. That means, if you don't know what that is, that means it's only found here in Hawaii, nowhere else around the world, and it's a native here. And our palila birds love to eat mamane. So if you go look it up, the mamane has this nice little yellow flower, and the palila bird only lives up here in this area, high elevations up Mauna Kea Mauna Loa area. Yeah, they love those trees. Some other Hawaiian plants that you'll see in this area is a'ali'i. He a'ali'i ku makani mai iau, a o he makani nana e kula'i e. So the a'ali'i is a plant that stands firm against the wind, and it's often used to relate to strong people, how they stand firm through hard situations. Yeah, a'ali'i's found up here. Oh, there's also one called a'aweoweo, and if you know that there's a fish called a'aweoweo, you find its partner, its mountain plant a'aweoweo. It smells just like the fish, no joke. If you go pull over and you go grab a leaf and smell them, it smells like fish. Okay, there's Mauna Loa again right ahead. Beautiful, beautiful big mountain. We do see snow on Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea during certain times of the year, or during big like hurricanes, that kind of stuff, big rainstorms and stuff. And right now we're gonna see Mauna Kea. There she is. So Mauna Kea is, here, wait, let me tell you an olelo no'ea about her. Mauna Kea ku ha'oi kamalie. So Mauna Kea stands majestically and calmly. There she is again. And just now we just pulled into this park that's at the top of Saddle Road, kind of like a rest stop area. The kids need to get out and stretch. There's a little playground over there and some restrooms. But yeah, anyway, thank you for joining me on this drive, and I hope you learned something about Hawaii.